All right, let's look at the answer key for the works cited order. So if we go here, you'll notice that number one is Bernstein. Why is that number one? Because all of these should be in alphabetical order. So we start with Bernstein, which is B, of course, and then number two would be college-bound seniors. We go from the very first word. As long as that first word isn't a or the, then you look at the first word. Then, of course, what comes next would be Kafka, which is with a K. And then you come down here. The next letter, of course, is Miller. So 4 would be Miller, Mildred. And you'll notice you have two different authors, Mildred Miller and Danielle Wilkie. But you go with that first letter. And then, of course, what comes next would be Schmidt. So this is the last name, and it begins with the S, so that would be 5. And then you'll notice you have two different books by the same author, Kenneth Thompson here and Kenneth Thompson here. So why does this one at the bottom come first? Because if it's exactly the same, then you go to what comes next, which is the name of the article, which begins with an A, attention, while this one begins with an M. So A comes before M, so you would have Kenneth Thompson, Thompson Kenneth, attention deficit, and here the last one that would be in order would be Thompson Kenneth, making books. So if we were going to order all of these just like this, going boom, 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 we would switch the orders around so that they would follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 being at the very bottom. All right. Hope that helped. Now, once you've done this, please grab the internal citations practice sheet, and you and your partner can complete that and then check your work.